And at this point, Jessica gives her friend one of those tight little smiles, gets up, and continues on her walk. Because her friend is obviously never going to find what he is looking for over here, because it is clear over there across the yard. This story sets up the adventure that I'm going to invite each of us to go on here tonight. That's what tonight is about. It's about going on an adventure together. And even more than that, going on a mission of sorts together. But before I invite you on this adventure, on this mission, I'm going to ask all of us to imagine three things. First, I'm going to ask us to imagine that in this front yard, that there's a path that leads from where Jessica and her friend were searching for the keys under the streetlight. And this path winds its way all the way through the yard to that dark corner where the keys actually lie. The second thing I'm going to ask us to imagine is that this path does not actually wind through the front yard of Jessica's friend, but instead this path, this road, you might imagine, winds through a vast and varied landscape of forest and mountains and desert. And the third thing I'm going to ask all of us to imagine is that at the end of this path that winds through this vast and varied landscape of forest and mountain and desert lies not the car keys of Jessica's friend, but instead lies a treasure far more precious, far more valuable than these car keys. In fact, far more precious and far more valuable than just about anything else that exists on earth. And this treasure at the end of this pathway is buried and long forgotten by almost every human being that exists on earth today.